And it goes like this. The first example, you're probably going to see, well, we've done this before. Find the slope of the tangent to y equal x squared at x equals 1. Okay, we have done this numerically, we've done this graphically, if you recall. But now we're going to use our knowledge of limits and the definition that we have before, that we had in the previous page, to solve this. So, in terms of the solution, if I want to use this expression, let me bring back, if I want to use this expression that I have here in the frame, knowing that f prime of a, or the derivative, is the slope of the tangent, then I need to establish f of a, and I need to establish x equal a and f of a. So let's write, in this case, f of x equals x squared and a equals 1. Okay, and now the slope of the tangent, by definition, equals the derivative at x equals 1, like so. And by definition, further definition of the limit, the limit definition of the derivative, it's the limit as x approaches 1 of f of x minus f of 1 divided by x minus 1. Okay, what I did here, I simply use the expression in the box, which is the definition of the derivative. F of x is f of x, f of a is f of 1, and again, x minus a is replaced by or with x minus 1. The next step is I'm going to write f of x explicitly, and you can see this is the limit now of, as x approaches 1, of x squared minus 1 over x minus 1. Recall, we dealt with this problem before. We said that we can factor x squared as x minus 1 times x plus 1, and as long as x is not equals 1 but close to, we can reduce, and we end up having the limit as x approaches 1 of x plus 1. And either I show one more step using the, let's go formally here. This will be the limit as x approaches 1 of x plus the limit of x approaches 1 of 1, like so. And of course, by substitution, it will be 1 plus 1 equals 2. So we know that the slope of the slope of a tangent to y squared, to y equal x squared at x equals 1 is 2. This is something that we discovered before. I think we did it either in the lab or in the classroom using Excel or using the graph program. Again, just to realize what we found out the following. Y equal x squared, we are looking at the right side because we're interested to know what happened at x equals 1. At x equals 1, y equals 1. Right? Turn out the slope of this tangent. This is the tangent, and the slope of the tangent, m of the tangent, equals 2. Okay, we also can find the equation of the line if this is what we were asked to do. Okay, what would be the equation of the line? The equation of the tangent. We have the point 1, 1. The slope is 2, so we can write y equals 1 plus the slope 2, x minus 1, and this becomes 2x minus 1. So this will be the equation of the tangent. Okay?